Who created earth, oceans, morning, snow, hail, lightning, wind, rain, constellations, the laws of matter? Who feeds wild animals? Let's begin in Job 38. Does God finally challenge Job to answer some questions? Then the Lord answered Job out of the whirlwind, and said, Who is this that darkens counsel by words without knowledge? Gird up now your loins like a man, for I'll demand of you, and you answer me. Where were we when God created this planet, and all the angels shouted for joy? Where were you when I laid the foundation of the earth? Tell me if you know understanding. Who set its measurements, since you know? Or who stretched the line on it? On what were its bases sunk? Or who laid its cornerstone, when the morning stars sang together, and all the sons of God shouted for joy? Which of us mere human beings set the boundaries of the sea? Or who enclosed the sea with doors, when it went out from the womb, bursting forth, when I made a cloud its garment, and thick darkness its swaddling bands, and I placed boundaries on it, and set a bolt and doors, and I said, As far as this point you shall come, but no further, and here your proud waves shall stop. Which of us has told the morning to begin, or shaken the wicked out of the earth? Have you ever given orders to the morning, or shown the dawn its place, that it might take the earth by the edges and shake the wicked out of it? The earth takes shape like clay under a seal. Its features stand out like those of a garment. The wicked are denied their light, and their upraised arm is broken. What control do we have over the deepest ocean, or what happens to the dead? Have you entered the springs of the sea, or have you walked in search of the depths? Have the gates of death been revealed to you, or have you seen the doors of the shadow of death? Have you comprehended the breadth of the earth? Tell me if you know all this. What control do we have over the cause or properties of light? Where does light come from, and where does darkness go? Can you take each to its home? Do you know how to get there? But of course you know all this, for you were born before it was all created, and you're so very experienced. What power do we have over snow, hail, lightning, or the wind? Have you entered the storehouses of the snow, or have you seen the storehouses of the hail, which I've reserved against the time of trouble, against the day of battle and war? By what way is the lightning distributed, or the east wind scattered on the earth? Which of us provides the rain that makes the grass sprout? Who cut a channel for the downpours, and a way for blasts of thunder to bring water to uninhabited land, a desert with no human to saturate dry wasteland, and make grass sprout? Has the rain a father who brought forth crops of dew? From whose belly does ice come? Who gave birth to heaven's frost? Water hardens like stone, the surface of the deep thickens. Which of us set the constellations, or created the laws that govern the universe? Can you arrange stars in groups, such as Orion and the Pleiades? Do you control the stars, or set in place the Big Dipper and the Little Dipper? Do you know the laws that govern the heavens, and can you make them rule the earth? Can you order the clouds to send a downpour, or will lightning flash at your command? Did you teach birds to know that rain or floods are on their way? Can you count the clouds, or pour out their water on the dry, lumpy soil? Which of us provides daily food for the wild lions, or flocks of ravens? Can you hunt the prey for the lion, or satisfy the appetite of the young lions when they crouch in their dens, or lie in wait in their thicket? Who provides for the raven its prey, when its young ones cry to God for help, and wander about for lack of food? What great lesson does a loving God want us to learn from the birds of the sky? Look at the birds of the sky. They don't sow or reap or gather into barns, yet your heavenly Father feeds them. Aren't you worth more than they? Who created earth, oceans, morning, snow, hail, lightning, wind, rain, constellations, the laws of matter? Who feeds the wild animals? You decide.